So here's the trade that everyone should have took on Friday. I've got an 80% win rate, 100k of payouts last year, and I only trade the 5 minute and I only take longs, and this is my strategy. If you do want to learn more about it, you can go in the description below, or just watch the video so you can find out why I took this trade. So here's my trade. Basically, this is how I trade. These are my rules here. I will take these rules out of here and I will paste them so you can see them, and we're going to go through this trade. So basically, this is the scenario. These are my rules. This is what I look for. So I wait for a sweep of sell side. Let's take a look at the 4 hour with this really obvious 4 hour low here that we were targeting all week. We come down and we tap this. So I've marked this low here with this line. So you can see if we go back on the 5 minute, you can see on Friday here, we open up with New York open. We take the Judas swing down, or to come and target this liquidity, we sweep the low. And as you can see, we sweep the low really nicely. Let me just delete this so you can see. I want to do this in real time. So we come down, we sweep the low. This line represents that 4 hour low that has been swept. So we've got the sweep of sell side. I'm looking to target buy side. We've got a few obvious ones here. We've got this one from the AM. There's another, like, there's just a few highs here in correlation. Basically just a few areas here that you could target. But let's just say this one for ease of argument. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for a bullish reaction after sweeping the low. You can see we come down, we get the sweep of liquidity, we get the really bullish reaction from sweeping this liquidity here on the 5 minute, and we form this really, really lovely 5 minute fair value gap, 2 actually here, which we close above and over. As you can see here, I'm looking for that inverted fair value gap for my entry model, and primarily I tried to look for 3 candle pattern V shapes. This wasn't quite that was 4 candles, but look at this momentum. This is literally a 100-point candle, more than 100 points candle. So very simply, I just enter here. I risk about $200 per trade, so I could only take this with 1 micro, unfortunately, but usually I would take this with more than 1 micro. And then very simply, all I would do is enter. We've got all of my prerequisites here for taking the trade. Sweep of sell side, I've got targets above that are really obvious. I've also got a little bit of a trend line like this that is full of liquidity that we can target, something like this. I've got these really obvious targets above, and then all I would do is basically just enter. Once we close above the gap, my stop loss is a manual close if we come back and close below these fair value gaps like this, risking $200 on this stop loss, and then I just target the high. And then you can see here, I could have made $400 on this trade, basically just, you know, took profit here. But I actually ended up taking profit and holding this one, thinking it would go higher. We retraced into these gaps, tapped them, and then we pushed again for almost a 4R on this trade up to this high, at which point I trailed my stop loss and got stopped at just below a 4R, or around $700 per account. I had to close there as well because of consistency rules, but this was essentially the trade that I took on Friday. The week, very, very bearish, as you can see. Really, really poor week of price action, basically just trickling to the downside every single day. Having these, like, you know, swings down, swings back up, but then ultimately never changing structure. Never really on the 5 minute at all. Ever since Wednesday here, getting any kind of CISDs where we basically come up and actually close back above the previous swing. But you can see we did come up here and break structure and get a reversal. And we are consolidating today as of Monday. But that is my trading strategy. I will go over it one more time quickly so that you can learn it for yourself. So I wait for the sweep of sell side. Really obvious 4 hour low. Very, very good area of liquidity. We sweep that. We get the really bullish reaction. We've got this V-shaped recovery, which is what you're looking for. Many people do call them V-shaped recoveries. We come back up. We close over the gap. So I enter when we close here. I'm targeting the highs. You could have just, you know, closed here for around a 2-to-1. Called it a day. Risk $200, make $400. Perfect trade. Log off. That is what I would suggest for most people. I held this one because I actually had I was trading on my phone at the time, which I wouldn't recommend. And I had no signal during this period of price action here. So my stop loss was at break even at this point, so I was like, whatever. And then it actually did come back up, and by the time I got signal again, we were around this area here, and then I just trailed my stop up to around $700 profit. But that is my trading strategy, guys. It's really not that complicated. I only trade the 5 minute, I only take longs, and overall, it's done very well for me. If you do want more information about it, go down below in the description, join the free Discord. If you do want to get alerts for my trades that I do alert in my private Discord every single day, go down and join the WAP. You won't be disappointed, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.